From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of losing sleep over a lost or broken remote control for your adjustable bed? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the FQOUG replacement for Leggett and Platt adjustable bed. This thing is a lifesaver, and I'm not exaggerating. With its perfect compatibility, you can seamlessly control your rich matte HJH173 bed base, and the best part is, it just works. You'll hear the smooth whir of your bed adjusting to your desired position, and feel the satisfying click of the buttons under your fingers. The texture of the remote is sleek and durable, giving you a sense of reassurance that it will withstand your daily use. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's a top-rated and best-seller. The reliable service guarantee is a huge plus, giving you peace of mind in case you have any questions or issues. Imagine being able to adjust your bed to the perfect position, feeling the gentle hum of the motor, and drifting off to sleep without a care in the world. This remote control makes it all possible. Whether you're watching TV, reading a book, or just lounging in bed, this remote gives you the freedom to customize your experience. It's also incredibly easy to use, with intuitive buttons that make it simple to find your perfect position. So why settle for a subpar remote control when you can have a guaranteed, top-of-the-line replacement? Give the FQOUG replacement for Leggett and Platt adjustable bed a try, and start sleeping better tonight. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.